Today, we're excited to introduce the Cumbor 2-Pack Baby Gate, a Mom's Choice Awards winner, designed to keep your little ones safe and secure while offering peace of mind to parents and pet owners alike. This versatile gate is perfect for blocking off staircases and other off-limit areas, thanks to its unique and patented double-lock safety release. With a convenient walk-through design, the gate stands 30.5 inches tall and adjusts from 29.7 to 40.6 inches wide, creating a generous 23.6-inch gap for easy passage, even when your hands are full. Crafted from durable steel, it can withstand impacts of up to 150 N, making it ideal for families with both children and pets. Installation is a breeze with simple pressure mounting that takes just 10 minutes and requires no tools, making it suitable for stairs, hallways, doorways, and open spaces. Plus, Cumbor offers a range of customizable options and accessories to fit your specific needs, supporting both pressure and drill installations. So, whether you're looking to create a safe environment for your child or a secure space for your pet, the Cumbor Baby Gate is the perfect solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.